Right, this centre has been here for 40 years, and the purpose is to get people to think about the big problems facing the world, big environmental problems. So first of all, what do you think is the biggest challenge, biggest threat facing us on the planet? Sort of environmental, I suppose I mean. You can think of many others these days. Yes, so what does that cause? The carbon dioxide, right? Carbon dioxide? Yeah. Same. In the atmosphere, what does it do? Global warming, yes, thank you. Global warming, do you all know that term in English? Global warming. Climate change. I don't know, I mean, in Welsh, climate change is nowhere in the hinsawdd, but it may be very different in Breton.
Yeah.
Right, so climate change is it could be argued that climate change is the biggest problem that we have to face, the biggest thing that we have to deal with. There is more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere than there has been at any time in the last few million years. Why is there too much? What do we do that puts too much carbon dioxide into the atmosphere? Huh? Yeah, factories, yeah. What fuels are they using? From fossil fuels. So, petrol and diesel come from oil, and that is one of the three main fossil fuels. Yes. What are the other two? Yeah. Gas and coal, yeah. So whenever we burn coal or gas or oil, it puts lots of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. That adds to global warming, adds to climate change, and it is really, really serious. When you read what the scientists are saying about it, they are very much agreed, and that it is really bad. So that is the most important thing that we want people to think about when they go away from here, is how we want them to think about how important this is, but also what we can do about it. So what we try to do here is show all sorts of positive things that we can do to reduce the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Is everybody with me?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Good. If I'm being too simple, do so. Right, so one of the ways that we do that is trying to show how we could build buildings and they could be more efficient. So in the outside walls of our buildings, we have lots of insulation. Same word? Similar word? Insulation?
Yeah.
Yeah, light fluffy stuff that, keeps the heat in. And so in the roof and in the walls and under the floors, the building is well insulated to keep heat in. And the windows are all double glazed. This building is all about teaching. So we're using solar energy for lighting mostly in this building. So sometimes we want this room really nice and light, and so we can open that, and we can open this as well.
Wow.
If you look at something like concrete, it takes a lot of energy to make, and it produces a lot of carbon dioxide. So it's very bad for